Hey everyone, this is Nick with Rogue Overland. I'm going to take you through a review of the Cascadia Vehicle Tent's UFO Light. So we've had this light for a little over a year now. We're out here doing some camping. Thought it'd be a great opportunity to do a video review of it, let you know our experience, what we've liked about it, what we don't like about it, and how we use it. Some of the main features that the light has, of course it has the light feature, there's solar charging, there's a USB port so you can plug in and charge your electronics. It has a Bluetooth speaker so you can play music while you're at camp, if you like that kind of thing, but you should be listening to sounds of nature. And then it has these break-off lights right here, so if you have to head off into the woods for a minute, you can take this with you. The light stays back at camp, keeping camp lit up. Now the light comes with two carrying bags, and it does break down. Basically the top portion goes in its own bag, and then from the springs down through the bottom of the base hauls in another bag. So far we haven't had any problems with this light. Durability wise, it's done really well. Additionally, we've had this light out in some pretty severe weather as far as wind is concerned, and haven't had any problems with it blowing over. It does come with stakes where you can stake it down to the ground. We actually haven't even had to use those before. So functionally, the light just does well. It's just a product that we haven't had any problems with. All right, so as I said earlier, we've had this light for a little over a year, and some of the things we really like about the light is it does produce a good amount of light around camp. So we find it works best as a light to basically light up the main area of camp where everybody's going to be congregating, cooking, playing cards, hanging out, that type of stuff. And it just sends out a nice broad area of light so that no one's tripping on things when they're trying to cross camp and things like that. Another feature that we like is the solar charging. So one, you know the light's going to be ready to go when it comes to nighttime. And secondly, with that USB port, you can keep your electronics charging during the day when you're hanging out at camp. As you know, we always like to give you the pros and the cons of products that we put a review out on. This light has functioned very well. The only thing that we would check as a con, and it really is just a personal preference, is even broken down, the light still takes up a significant amount of space. So if you are out by yourself, you're out with significant other or just you and significant other, maybe a dog or two, you have lots of space, it shouldn't be an issue. When we're out, we're typically with our kids, so that's 5 people in a rig, and space comes at a premium. The way that we like to implement this light is on what we call base camp style trips. So for example, once a year we like to head out to Big Bear, we set up camp, we stay there for several days, and we go hit a trail every day. This light works great because we haul it out there, we set it up once, and then it's there for the remainder until we're heading home. If we're on a trip where we're setting up camp every night, breaking it down every morning, hitting a trail, and then finding another campsite, on trips like that, we like to leave this light at home. Hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and gets this video out to more like-minded off-road enthusiasts like yourself. Find us on all social media avenues at Rogue Overland, and we'll see you on the trail.